Good hit, baby.
Chesley. That deer needs to die. Stop moving, stop moving. That deer needs to die.
Hey team, it's Daniel again with Brazos Valley Boars and Varmits. So here's the varmint side of things. We've got a 6-point deer right here that needs to be taken out because this deer does not have any browtines. That's been a weird genetic that we've had on our deer lease out here in the hill country, and we've been trying to work on it, and some years we're more successful than others as far as not seeing nearly as many of these, but every single one that we do see, man, if we got a buck tag for that, that is on the kill list. It needs to go just like this one right here. So that's why we're so adamant that I'm telling my daughter that this one needs to go. Again, you can see that this is being filmed through the Sightmark Wraith 4K Max. This is about a 70-yard shot. And again, the thing that I love about this scope so much is that I can record this footage directly through the scope. I can play it back later for us, as my daughter is the one who's doing the shooting here, for her to learn and she can become a better shooter, and then also that we can enjoy later as a family. And again, it's so much more fun to say, you know, it's so much more fun to show that this is exactly how it went down rather than go, there it was. So again, this is my daughter doing this through the Sightmark 4K Max. This has been a wonderful scope. I am also going to overlay some thermal footage in here as well through the Infrared Rico RS75 just because it looks really cool. But again, this is obviously the one that we're going to be doing the shooting through. So guys, I hope that y'all enjoy this, and then I'll play some after the shot footage of how my family enjoys hunting in the hill country here in Texas. And guys, I hope y'all enjoyed this stuff as much as we do too.
No, that was good hit. Good hit, baby.
Yes, I know I hit it. But let's go try to find it. Wait, we need to give it a second, right?
Yeah, but you know, I saw it go down in the thermal. It went down and down over there.
Yeah, we need to wait a second for it. Daddy,
yeah, let's give it a couple of minutes.
It was at me like a little bit of an angle, and I was like, because I had my hand up here, so I was just moving my other hand. Because you know, if I moved this one, they'd freak out. So
he was staring right at us, wasn't he?
Yeah, so I turned it up, and then because it was standing like this, so I just went like right here. It might have gone through the shoulder, but I don't think so.
But you got it straight in the front?
Yeah, I think it did.
Well, and we were
Right
recording.
here.
We were recording through your scope.
Gloves are freezing. I think I busted it barely. I think I barely got the shoulder.
Well, the stand is right there behind us. Right there. It didn't go far.
Chester, you know how on deer, they'll have an antler that comes up right here?
Oh, they always do that one though.
This one doesn't. We need to get rid of these.
I want to hold the antler. Pull it up. No, let me hold the antler. I want to really pull it out.
You want me to take pictures? Okay.